Are you bored with nothing to do? Then the Land & Pool Pal is for you. After spending years working on prototypes, the all-in-one outdoor game activity center, the Land & Pool Pal, is now ready for the market. With 12 interchangeable games and multiple accessories, all age groups can have fun at the swimming pool, hot tub, while camping, tailgating, or just having an outdoor gathering. So, let's put down the phones and devices and go out and have fun like the good old days. First, let's take a look at some of the great benefits while you're at the swimming pool or hot tub. Whether you have an in-ground or above-ground swimming pool and are looking to have more fun, the Land & Pool Pal is perfect for you. With different interchangeable game activity sections to play from, you can play games on both sides at the same time. For example, you could be playing basketball when you're in the pool, while others play different games outside of the pool. The game pools can easily be adjusted to different height levels. Popular games at the pool include basketball, volleyball, ring it, and skip it in. Volleyball is a favorite because it has a retractable net. Just pull the net out to your desired length, attach it to another base, tree, or fence, lock it tight, and start playing. There's a stretching exercise bar attached to the base. Stretching before doing any water activities has become a popular exercise. The front table easily attaches to the stretching bar and hangs over the edge of the pool for easy access to drinks and sunglasses. Another great add-on for the pool are the theme panels. Theme panels add a unique, personalized style to your pool. Made out of durable, waterproof material, they prevent the inconvenience associated with game accessories being tossed outside the pool. If you have a hot tub, just like the swimming pool, whether it's an in-ground or above-ground, the Land & Pool Pal has many benefits. Some of the convenient accessories, not limited to but useful for the hot tub, include the umbrella for shade, the high-powered solar light for the night, the serving tray to hold your snacks, drinks, or phones, the cooler for keeping your beverages cold, or the easily accessible towel rack, all while playing fun games like Draw It or Tumble It. Start enjoying the outdoors. Assembly only takes a few minutes with no tools required and easily wheels to your desired location. Whether you're having an outdoor party, camping, tailgating, or any social gathering, enjoy a day filled with lots of fun. Outdoor favorite games include darts, volleyball, ladder ball, horseshoes, and pong. People with pickup trucks love that they can leave it in the bed of the truck and start playing in just a few minutes. Last but not least, we created the storage rack to keep every component and all games organized. Conveniently wheel it from your storage facility to the backyard play area for easy access to all games and accessories available with the Land & Pool Pal. For those of you who enjoy the outdoors and having fun and find yourself with nothing to do, no matter what the event is, you can take the Land & Pool Pal with you. From all of us to all of you that support us, thank you. We couldn't do this without you, and we hope we can grow and improve with your feedback.